Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to add clock widget in your Windows. So first you need to download a software called Rainmeter. So you need to go to a website called rainmeter.net and now you will need to click on the download. It's a small application so it will take short time to be downloaded. Click on the application and complete these. Click on next, install, and it has been installed. So if you go to your desktop, you will see several widgets already in your desktop. If you want them, keep it. Otherwise, you can right click on them and click on unload skin just right there. So for the widget, you need to download and install a skin. So again, you need to go to your browser and go to this website. I will keep both of these links in the description so it will be easier for you. Here in this website, visualskins.com, you need to scroll down and find this icon and download elegant clock, and you need to click on this download button. After that, go to the elegant clock and click on install. So after it has been installed, go to your Rainmeter. You can access it from this show icon in your taskbar, or if it's not shown there, you can always find it in your start. So go to Rainmeter and you will see this elegant clock that you installed just now. There are two files in it, dark clock and light clock. So you can select the one you want and click on the load icon here. And you will see the widget just right there. Place wherever you want in your desktop. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.